Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is MC Reality, the sugar daddy of Lagos. Normally, I don't do this. All of them, I know say I don't do this kind of thing. But I met this my bro on Facebook. So he tell me say he want prank his girlfriend. Say they don't date for like 2 years. Say he love this girl, like real love. He get real affection for this girl. But he want say the girl don't they crave for Apple Watch since say okay, oh, he like Apple Watch. Say he don't even buy the Apple Watch since, but he don't want give the girl. Now why he call me say okay, Mumu, make I go give the girl. Mo, who's and prank the girl. Make the girl just mention his name. His name na Abula. Make the girl just mention his name. Say okay, oh, Abula is my baby. That's all. Say na him send the watch. Where the watch? Sian, e sharp. New Apple Watch. So me now I want go meet the girl. Say the girl na tailor. So you carry me go the girl shop now. But if we reach there, you go dey inside car. I will go do the everything. So if you mention, but bros, one thing. If the prank not go the way you want, no violent. No go fight me, nothing go happen.
She no go fuck me up.
She no go fuck you up. 100. Too much. Alright now. So guys, don't touch the dial. You know what I'm saying now? What I go? I am coming. Chew. So bros, where the shop dey? This
that tailor shop will pass just now.
where that woman stands so.
Yes, that people go.
Okay. No wahala. You give me a number.
My baby.
Okay.
Bros.
No wahala. Alright. So in case the thing not go the way you plan, you no go vessel.
No, it's good. My baby. She sure for me.
Alright.
She no fuck me up. Betty, my Betty.
Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Please, you have a package from us.
Sorry, from who? Who am I speaking with, please?
I'm a delivery man. You have a package for us from your boyfriend.
Boyfriend.
Yeah.
You mean my boyfriend?
Yes. Are you at home or you are in the shop?
I'm at the shop right now.
Okay, I'm close to your shop. I'll come give you your shop.
Okay.
All right, you see
Okay.
me. You see me now.
Alright.
Yeah. All right, good. So you find your position, bros. You go wait for here. Will they come? Just chill. Nothing. Get the watch. No, just put up on inside. Put up on inside. All right. So make my guy if I go find. Don't make if I go find that place stay. Then I go
Go there now.
No, you just day. I go come meet you before here.
Yeah, or outside. Anyway. I go just dey inside motor.
Just day. I dey come.
Yeah,
All right. Okay. How far now? Good afternoon. So you have a package from us.
From where?
Your boyfriend said I should give you this Apple Watch. That you have been craving for it.
Excuse me. My boyfriend?
Yes.
I wasn't expecting anything from my boyfriend.
But he said I should give it to you.
And the last I checked, my boyfriend cannot send me anything now. Like, he always notifies me before sending anything to me. And moreover, my boyfriend is not in Nigeria, so I don't understand.
Your boyfriend is not in Nigeria?
Yes.
Okay, but he actually said I should give you this watch. That he said you have been craving for Apple Watch. That he bought that I should give it to you.
Well, I don't remember. Well, anytime my boyfriend wants to send anything to me, he notifies me. He even sent something to me last 2 months.
last 2
And
months.
I'm not expecting anything from my boyfriend, sorry.
Okay, where is your boyfriend inside?
Boyfriend is not in Nigeria.
Yes. Or he's actually inside the car. Yes.
You mean my boyfriend is inside the car?
He's outside.
I don't believe you.
And you come see for yourself. I'm serious.
You must be joking. Don't joke with me
No,
right
I'm
now.
not joking. You know me. I'm not joking. I'm serious. It's inside. Madam, yes. I'm sorry to disturb your voice inside.
You mean my boyfriend is inside the car? I don't think so. I have a boyfriend in Nigeria.
Serious?
Yes.
You say he's in Nigeria. I'm coming.
My boyfriend.
So, is he not your boyfriend?
He's not my boyfriend. He's not my boyfriend.
But you said you guys have been dating for 2 years now. Betty.
My boyfriend is not in Nigeria. He's just my friend.
Bros, say you've been friends, you've not been boyfriend.
Betty.
Calm down.
Betty.
Listen.
No. Betty.
Abula, let's
No. Do not
Let's
say.
not create a scene
No,
here.
it's fine. So these 2 years has just been a joke to you.
Listen. I have a serious boyfriend.
Please. Don't touch me. Man. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. So all these 2 years now shit to you. You don't mean anything, Abi. Now so on Abi,
Do you
women.
have to raise your voice? Wait, do you have to raise your voice? Excuse me.
Okay, it's like, he's not your boyfriend.
I
My
get this
fiancé is
relationship
not
hard.
in Nigeria.
Oh Jesus.
Please,
That's so women be. I wasted 2 years of my life for you.
I don't
Betty.
understand. I don't understand.
That's so you be Betty.
Were you taking this serious? Were you taking this serious?
Betty.
Please, let's not create a scene. I'm not in for all this drama.
Drama? You call this drama, Betty?
We're on the street, Abula. Please, let's not do this now.
Betty, na drama be this, Abi.
Let's not do this now, please. And what's the meaning of all this?
Bro, my.
Bros, no verse. It happen. No verse.
Please, excuse me. I have better things to do. What's the meaning of all this?
But you said you guys have been dating for 2
Hello?
years.
Hello? Why didn't he call me?
Call who?
Why didn't you call me?
You not be my babe. I'm going to call my babe again.
Excuse me?
I'm going to call my babe again.
You have to call me. I don't like surprises like this. What kind of rubbish is this?
Fuck.
What kind of nonsense is this?
I'm sorry.
I don't like all this type of rubbish.
I'm sorry.
Beg, what kind of embarrassment?
No.
I'm
sorry. Bros, no verse. It happen.
Go.
I'm sorry.
Please, you have to look for a way to fix it because I don't understand.
Okay. It's just your friend for the past 2 years. But you guys have been doing things
How
now.
the hell you come here? 2 years. 2 years,
Abula,
Betty.
you need to understand.
Understand
You
what?
need to understand. I have a fiancé and he's not in Nigeria. So what
Yeah,
else am I
Now who will kill him?
He's in the US. You say, who will kill who? Okay, who will kill who?
Women.
Well, I'm not ready for all this.
No problem. Maybe you should just go back to your shop. I'm sorry.
I give her.
Please, I don't have time for all this.
I'm sorry.
Betty.
What rubbish is this?
Betty.
Bros, no verse. It happen. No verse.
Bro, 2 years. This girl and this girl, 2 years. I gave her everything. All my life now I give her. Man. I give this girl all my life, bros.
Sorry, bros. No verse. Sorry. No verse. No verse, bros. No verse. Yeah? Happen. Sorry, don't do. No verse, bros. Bros, no verse. They happen.
2 years of my life.
A relationship now, anything can happen. No verse, bros.
What else does she want? What did they do for woman where I not do? What did they do for what I not do, bros?
You don't do.
What did they do where I don't do? What
You
did
don't
they
do. Hey,
do?
like this motor, they my back. Oh.
What did they do where I don't do?
I don't fit come outside.
God,
You come off from my back now. Make me feel come out now. Bros, you don't do. You don't do, bros. You don't do.
Oh, God, what have I done to deserve this?
Bros, you don't do.
Shall I not love this guy richly?
Bros, you don't do.
Betty, why? Betty, why? Why, Betty?
You don't do, bros. You don't do.
Betty, why?
You don't do, bros. No verse. No verse. Somebody you dey cry say you did like you the love strong. Oh. No verse, bros.
Oh, God.
No verse. No
My
verse.
mama know. My girl go meet my mama. She know my papa.
Yeah.
Oh, God, what I go do again?
Bros, you don't do. Don't do.
No love, bros. No love again.